in my class you will see some special forms of passive voice. Sometimes passive voice of intransitive verbs with cognate object. With cognate object. In the active sentence, if there is the cognate object, suppose he ran a race, he ran a race, he fought a good fight, he slept a sound sleep, here such type of object is called cognate object. A sound sleep, a race, he ran a race, a good fight, a sound sleep. In both of the sentences you see that there is an object. In the first sentence a race is the object, in the second sentence a good fight is the object, a sound sleep is also the object in the third sentence. But both of the sentences are active sentence, and at the time of converting the sentence into passive voice you will have to use the object first at the beginning. A race here will be converted into the subject. A race was run by him. He ran a race. A race was run by him. In this way, you will have to convert the active verbs into passive verbs with the cognate object in the passive voice. In the second sentence, he fought a good fight. A good fight will be used as the subject at the beginning. A good fight was fought by him. A good fight, the object in the active sentence has been converted into the subject in the passive sentence. Here a good fight is called cognate object, and here it will be used at the beginning of the sentence. Then the be verb will be used according to the tense formation. Fought is used here as the V2 form, that is past indefinite tense, and then you will have to use the past participle form, fought. A good fight was fought by him. Here he is the subject, it will be turned into the object in this way. In this way, you will have to convert the active sentence with the cognate object. Here, a good fight has been used as the subject. Passive voice with cognate object. Here, in both of the cases, in the first sentence, in the second sentence, you have seen that the cognate object in the active voice has been turned into the subject. A race, a good fight has been turned into the subject in the passive voice. That is, the cognate object will become the subject in the passive voice, as generally followed in another ways of converting the sentence into passive voice. A good fight was fought by him. Here this is the passive sentence. And now in the third sentence, you will see, he slept a sound sleep. A sound sleep is the cognate object, and here cognate object, and here this will be turned into the subject in this way. A sound sleep was slept by him. Here in this way, the subject is used, then the verb, then slept. Sound sleep. A sound sleep has become the subject in the passive voice. This has been used in the active sentence as the cognate object, but now it will be turned, or it has become the subject in the passive voice. A sound sleep was slept by him. Sometimes reflexive object. If a sentence contains a reflexive object in the active voice, the reflexive object cannot be turned into the subject in the passive voice. Suppose he hurt himself. He is the subject, hurt is the verb, himself is called reflexive object. If the sentence contains the reflexive object in the active formation, then at the time of converting the sentence into the passive voice, you cannot turn the reflexive object into the subject in the passive voice. Here, in this respect of converting the active voice into passive voice, you will have to change, or you have to write the sentence in this way. He was hurt by himself. Here, himself is used as the reflexive object in the active voice, but here you have to write the sentence in this way. Suppose he killed himself. He killed himself. Here himself is used as the reflexive object. This is the active verb, but at the time of converting it into passive formation, you cannot change the reflexive object into the subject in the passive voice. You have to write the sentence in answer in this way. He was killed by himself. He was killed by himself. Himself, reflexive object. He is the subject in the passive voice. Was is the verb, killed is the VT form. If there is the verbal noun formation in the active voice, the passive structure will be made in this way. Verbal noun formation with the active sentence. Suppose the sentence may be given as an example. I went to see the launching of the ship. Here, the is used before the V plus ing form. Launching is used here as the gerundial word, but here die is used and just after the V plus ing word of is there. This is the verbal noun structure. The launching of the ship is used here as the object, as used as verbal noun with preposition. I went to see the launching of the ship. Here in this respect you have to change into passive voice in this way. I went to see the ship. I went to see the ship being launched. Being launched. In this way you will have to turn the active sentence into passive sentence with verbal noun formation in the active voice. Sometimes the active sentence may have the complement as the object, and in this respect the complement or complementary object cannot be made subject in the passive voice. Active sentence with complement as the object. Active sentence with complement as the object cannot be made subject in the passive voice. Suppose they made him president of the club. Here in this sentence, they made him. They made him president of the club. Here president of the club is used in this sentence as the complement. They made him. Here made is the verb, him is the object, they is the subject. But here president of the club has been used in this sentence as the complement. This is used as the complementary object, but this complementary object cannot be turned into subject in the passive voice. In this respect, you will have to turn the object, personal object or indirect object into the subject in the passive voice. So you will have to write, he was made president of the club by them. By them. He was made president of the club. Here president of the club has been used in the active sentence as the complement, but here in the passive sentence also it will be used as the complement. So he was made president of the club by him. In this way you will have to convert the sentence with complement. You will have to convert the sentence from active to passive, turning the personal object or indirect object into the subject in the passive voice. In another example, you may see, suppose they made him king. Here king has been used as the complement. At the time of converting the sentence into passive voice, you will have to convert the personal object. Here this is called personal object or indirect object. This indirect object has to be made into the subject he. Him will be turned into he. Then the verb is in V2 form. So the be verb will be made was. He was made. Then the complement will be used. Came by them. If there is the infinitive form in the active voice, then you will see the process of changing the active voice into passive voice. Sentence with infinitive form. Sentence with infinitive form. Two plus V1. In this respect, at the time of converting the sentence from active to passive voice, suppose if there is the sentence in this way, there is no time to lose. Here to lose is used as the infinitive form. In this sentence, this is used as the active sentence. But at the time of converting the sentence into passive voice, you have to use the formation in this way. There is no time to be lost. To lose, to be lost. In this way, the passive formation of infinitive form will be made. Suppose I am going to bring him here. Such type of sentence is there with the infinitive form to bring. I am going to bring him here. In this respect, you will have to convert the sentence into passive formation in this way. Him is the object here, so you will have to write he. Next, the present continuous form is used here, but you cannot use being in this respect at the time of converting it into passive voice. So you will have to write he is going to be brought here. He is going to be brought here by me. He is going to be brought here. To bring was used in the active voice, but at the time of converting it into passive voice, you will have to make the formation in this way. To be brought. I am going to bring him here. He is going to be brought here by me. In this way, you will have to convert the active sentence into passive voice with infinitive formation. In another example also, this is time to shut the door. Suppose if such type of sentence is there with the infinitive formation to shut, you will have to convert the sentence into passive voice in this way. This is time. This is time for the door to be shut. S-H-U-T. To shut, to be shut has been used in the passive structure in this way. So students, you have seen different formation of the passive structures in special forms.